Okay, this is a little bit of an instruction video because I realize that people have a hard time, especially if they're new to the internet and finding their way around the internet and stuff like that. When you get to this page, you'll see this here, and I'm going to put this video on a separate page that you'll click on it right above between the menu and the lower part of the video. Okay, our affiliate program, because you received a link from your sponsor. They sent you here, and we use ClickBank. ClickBank has your sponsor's name is right after the debit card profits in a hop link right there. And that is my other ClickBank account. So I'm going to copy that right now. Copy. Okay. Now, if you notice, I've got a menu up here, and it's on Join Now, only $7. Here's what happens. Click on that link. As long as you have your sponsor's name in there on that page, you're going to see that down at the bottom of this page right here is that name that I copied over. That is the affiliate. Okay, what this means is that when you pay your $7, 75% of that $7 goes to your sponsor. Okay, so now that's just the first part of our program. Second part of our program, when you put your information in here at the bottom of the page, you put it in here and it's going to send you to another page. But if you notice, I've set everything up so it doesn't close this page out. Oh, come on. It sends you to this page here. But we're not done with that other page, so I'm going to keep this one open. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to show you something else in here. Pull down menu, the webinar. When you go there you have the webinar. And we copy that person's name in down there and hit enter. Copy that link over, paste it into a new window on your browser, and this is a really good program by John Crestani that, he teaches everything there is to know about affiliate marketing and how he's made a six-figure income, side income online, just by using other people's products like you're doing with my system and my products right now. Okay, so but the whole point of this whole thing is your sponsor is going to get credit for this, not me. Your sponsor is going to be paid 50% of this if you sign up for his program. And he gives instructions on where to go at the end of the webinar and everything. So basically, you're going to go to his webinar, his training and everything, and if you sign up for it, it's pretty steep. It's $999, I believe it is. But you get 50% of that money if you're the affiliate for him. Okay. And you don't have to remember anything, just how to join our program. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out now, and I'm going to go back here, and we go down here, and you get our book. Okay. I'm going to put in Tom Howard 1. Copy that. Paste it in here. And then download the copy of the ebook. And you can actually download it if you want. The way I download it here is click on that and then say where I'm going to download it at and everything, and download it there. I'm not going to do that right now though. But for the demonstration purposes, there you have that. Now, we're going to, because I closed that other page out, I believe I did, but we'll just go over there again. There it is. You get to watch this information on how to get 3 to 5 extra sales per week. If you click here, it opens up another window. But the thing important to remember here is I earn nothing, and my affiliates earn nothing for everything before this right here, up until this point. Down here we do earn money, and that is just that webinar that you saw on the first page. This is the ebook, but it's on this page, and this is another opportunity for you to join our program for $7. Down at the bottom down here, it has the information right there. Okay, when you click on that link, again, you'll see it open up the order page. And that's how you join us. And you're going to get everything, and your sponsor is going to get 75%, because we pay 75%, not 50% like John Prestani does. Okay? And I've got another video right there. You can click on that video, and it explains how to work the page here. And when you put your sponsor's name in there, everything is repetition here. You see that again? It's just a repetition. So if you missed it in the first time around, you get it there, and paste it in there, And you see there we're going through that again. So I hope this is instruction enough for you to find your way through our system. And this is the reason I do that is because I want to help as many people, make money as I can help them. That way, if that is your goal, to make extra money on the side, and I help you do that, well then I will make a lot of money on the side as well, because I'll be making it up in value. Okay, so if you understand all this, come aboard, join us, and let's get going on this. Take care.